Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be trying my possible best to try out Selena Gomez makeup routine. So I stumbled on this video for a while now and I thought, why don't we try out this makeup routine on a dark skin, on a black girl? So we are literally going to be doing a black girl edition and I am so excited. So let's get right into it.
First, I'm going to start with my illuminating primer. It's my favorite primer. We have one that's kind of more matte, and this one is very fun and glowy. I like to use my hands to apply it.
So guys, the first thing she's going ahead to do is to apply primer, and that is literally what I am doing right now. Remember guys, we are focusing on the makeup routine and techniques and not the product. I'm literally using like a drugstore product. I'm using drugstore products to achieve this look, to achieve this makeup routine.
Next, I'm going to use my Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. I'm going to use my foundation brush.
So guys, she went ahead to apply a tinted moisturizer. We don't have that, so we are going to be literally using a foundation, and that is literally what I'm doing right now. So I went ahead to use a foundation to have this flawless base.
Next up, concealer. All right, I know everybody has opinions on how to do, everyone has opinions on how to do the right concealer way. I don't know. This is just what I do, and I hope for the best. Whatever, you know. I'm gonna put a little on my lid. And then I'm gonna use my little brush, concealer brush, to kind of circle around. Almost done.
So guys, we are applying concealers in the areas she applied the concealer and also the way she applied the concealer. We are focusing on the routine and the techniques. So guys, this is what it looks like after applying the concealer in the areas she highlighted, and she also went ahead to use a very small brush to blend the concealer out, and she did that like in a circular motion, and that is literally what I'm trying to do here. So we are going to blend this concealer with a small brush, and then let's see how it turns out. One thing I noticed is you need to take your time to blend the concealer out, because we are not making use of a beauty sponge. We're actually using a small brush, and we want the concealer to blend flawlessly, and that is literally what I did, and this is how it turned out, guys.
Next, I'm using my Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. Put it in designated area. Oh, it feels so nice. This is really good for depuffing and getting, you know, the circulation going. Ooh, so pretty. Not gonna lie, when I was testing this product out, I kind of just wore that, and that's it. I'm gonna use my fingers.
So guys, she went ahead to apply a lighter concealer to brighten up her under eyes, and guys, at this point I was so scared, in the sense that I applied too much concealer and I needed to use my hands to blend this all out, and I had to just do what I needed to do because we are literally focusing on the makeup routine and the techniques. But I was so scared it won't turn out nice, in the sense that it was too much. So I decided to go in with a small brush, with the small brush I used earlier, to blend it all out, and this is what it looks like, guys.
Next is my Warm Wishes bronzer. Just go with the flow of things, and I do 2 little dots there. Don't ask me why I love the dots, I just do. And kind of here, and then I like to do a little right there. Y'all snatch. What I look forward to most is, I love the weather, I love the people, I love the food. Essentially, I think I want to live here forever, but I can't. Ooh, blending it all in.
So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to contour, and she actually placed her contour in dots again, and that is literally what I'm doing. But one thing I noticed about her techniques and her routine is how she blends this product. She always blends like in a circular motion, and I tried my possible best to do exactly what she did, and guys, it turned out flawlessly. So this is me blending the contour, because I don't think I've contoured like this before, but I definitely love how defined it was and how snatched it was looking. So I'm definitely going to try this out again.
Next is my soft pinch liquid blush. Right there. Here. Super pigmented. Woo!
So guys, the next thing she went ahead to do was to apply blush. And guys, I literally added too much for this look, because I think she was actually trying to achieve like a simple look, and I did too much. So what I did was to actually apply the contour again and then blend it all together to reduce the harshness of the blush.
So, next is my Brow Harmony Shape and Fill Duo. By brushing up my brows. We love a good brow. Kind of slowly take it out. Vibes. Oh yeah. Okay. Next is my Perfect Strokes mascara. I'm not gonna do any under my eye because that's more of like, let's go out, party, get a vibe. Voila. Next is my Kind Word. Okay. Fill it in. Pretty. This color is Talented.
So guys, I'm going ahead to apply lipstick, and I literally used 2 lipstick, and afterwards she went ahead to set her entire face with a setting spray, and voila. Guys, this is what we are looking like. This is what look we achieved from Selena Gomez makeup routine. And guys, I am looking extremely gorgeous. The piece, I am so excited how it turned out, because it literally gave me very flawless look. Babies, what do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.